Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate list of items from first to last with the buttons. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But first of all, please, I would like to say that please like, share and subscribe my channel for next videos. Thank you. We have started our project in WPF.NET framework. Let's name it Navigation Demo Project. Create. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to add some images to our buttons. So images, I will go for existing items. I'll take my images from my desktop. It will be all 1, 2, 3, 4. I have added all the pictures in my project. Now what we have to do is we have to make a grid. Now we will separate our grid in two different rows. For that, okay, then we will go for wrap panel. The panel will be allocated in grid row 0 with a margin of 10, 10, 10, 10. You can write it like this, or you can write it like this. It's the same thing. Okay, so now I will make a button here. Button but name is first BTN, which has a width of 30, height of 30 as well, and there is an image inside it which has a source called first PNG. I need these buttons 3 more K, and it's better to keep some margins. Here we will get 10. Here as well. And lastly here. Okay, so up till now, if we check our project, then our buttons are ready. Okay, let's go further. Now we have, you see, we are done with the buttons. Now we will go for the next row portion, which is row grid row 1, again with a margin of 10. And here I have text block says text first name, and then we have text box with the width of, let's suppose, 100 maybe, and horizontal alignment is left with the margin of 0. That's right here, height of 25, and then horizontal left. We need such kind of things 2 times more, sorry. Up till now our program seem to be really good and everything is now in. Now we will go for the program. For that, what I have done is that I have inserted some code of on property change. You can get it from online, from Google, or you can write it by yourself. It's not that much difficult. It's just to make your view updated after changing the data inside of your C# programming. Okay, so for that you have to add one more thing, which is I notify property change thing. And now here what we will do is we will first add a list. We will make a list of public list of person named as persons, and that will be like get return and persons, and here set. Don't worry, I will make the whole exceptions away, just a moment. And persons is equal to my value, and then on property changed. So what is our person? Let's add person first. Now we have here public class. What will be inside person? We have a public string f name, public string and name, last name, which means, and then last but not the least we have a public int of age. So now everything is ready. Let's add some data inside it. So as our program starts, so what we have right now, as our project starts, what we have is that we have persons, new this persons, and then we will add persons dot add new person, and that will be the first name is equals to John, last name is Harry, $20. Okay, of them. So these are the ages of the different persons. One more thing what we need is that we need a selected person every time when we change our list item. So for that we will take public person selected person without space get and set. So we need to make this data context, because without setting data context we cannot connect with this programming what we are doing here in our main window. So our data context is this. That means what we have inserted here, our view will take everything from this window. Okay, fair enough. So we have here now list of persons. We have selected person item. We are done with everything. We have 4 different persons also. So we will now bind this all data with our 3 text boxes. For that I will give this stack panel a data context which is binding selected person, and my first text box will be text binding is fname. H. I have binded all the data in my view as well. Let's see what it looks like. So as you see, we have added our information. We have added 4 items, but this here text box, these text boxes does not show any kind of data right now, because our selected person with which we have binded this whole stack panel is empty, is null. So first we have to insert data in it when our window is loading. So here I will say selected person will be from persons always the 0 means 1, the first one. Now we have the data in. Okay, it worked perfectly. Now we will work on our buttons. So let's start it with the first button. The first one is very simple. What we will write it here, we will set every time go for the first. So this how we have already written in our loading when our program will be initialized. That's the same thing, persons. But now here one more thing we will need is that we will go for on property change of what? Selected person. That's all. Now we will go for the last button, and again the click function, and this will be then because we know we are selected person, we have only 4, we inserted here 4 items, so we know that our lost will be 3. Okay guys, so now the interesting part, next and previous. If our persons not lost or default is not equal to selected person, so that means we are not on the last item of our list. And selected person is equal to persons dot index of per selected person plus 1. So increase 1 until we reach till the last one. So now I will copy this instead of rewriting and paste it here, and I will simply say here that not the last but first, because now we are going backward. So -1. This one line which is on property change, so we have to give it on every single event. And now you can see works very well without any exception. So guys, this is how we can navigate our data simply with buttons, which is the very easiest way. If you like my video, please like my channel and subscribe it and share these videos with your friends, and I will upload more tutorials like this. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. I will definitely reply for it. And if you have any other suggestion or if you want any kind of tutorial on anything, just write it on the comments, and I will make sure that I will work on them and make a tutorials for you, so that you will get a benefit from them. Thank you so much once again. Bye bye.